Alright, welcome to the channel. This is Tesla DMV. This is gonna be Alexandria, Duke Street on full self-driving. This is version 10.69.2.3.
In 500 feet, turn sharp right onto Callahan Drive.
Say what? Sharp right. Wow, okay. Alright, so this should make for an interesting video. Definitely ready to take over if needed. Sharp right. Okay.
Now turn sharp right onto Callahan Drive.
Alright, here we go. See if FSD is able to handle this, followed by immediately needing to yield for the people coming in. Turn left. Wow, great job. Great job. Waited its turn, went when it was completely clear. Good job.